today's world, a reliance on technology or addictions to technology has become increasingly prevalent as we entrust our lives to mobile devices and smart gadgets and other cutting-edge technologies. From communication to accessing information and entertainment, technology has seamlessly integrated into every aspect of our daily routines. As we adapt to the latest trends in technology, the Internet of Things, we are constantly evolving and embracing new ways to enhance our productivity, efficiency, and overall quality of life. Embracing these advancements allows us to stay connected, informed, and empowered in ever-changing digital landscape.